Okay. We are live. On YouTube. First stream back. Been a few weeks, maybe a month or so. But hey, we back on the grind. Got some big and improved plans for this upcoming next 3 months with Canadian and USA weather. Down here in the US, we do have tropical disturbances. There's a 20% low chance of one forming in the next 2 days. In 7 days, it is at a medium risk with 60%. And then tropical disturbance number 2, day 2, 0% low, day 7, 30%. We do have storms firing up in northern Dakota, or North Dakota, tracking into Manitoba as we speak. There is some storms in Manitoba. We do got a line of storms forming in North Dakota all the way up into Saskatchewan. Give me a second. I'm going to turn up my mic. That should work. Let me check. That is Apex. Hello? What the? TikTok, can you hear me? I hate TikTok so badly. It's not even funny. Hey Max, can you hear me? What the heck? Ooh. Alright, well, that's weird. Alright, Northern Ontario over the weekend. Let's go. Environment Canada. And I go to the Environment Canada sites to get an overlook on this weekend for Northern Ontario. Oh my god. Oh, weather forecast. No, I hate this. I hate this. Actually, wait, no. There we go. Ontario, Northern Ontario. So the day one forecast, which is today, which is right now, there's A and B. A is for 70 to 90 kilometer per hour winds with 2 to 3 centimeters of hail. Point B is 70 to 90 kilometer per hour winds, which is a minor risk. For overnight hours for tonight, there's no threat. Day 2 forecast is looking at a pretty much a moderate risk for 90 to 110 with a tornado possible label. 3 to 5 centimeters hail, 30 to 50 millimeters. Point B is the heck? Okay. 90 to 110 kilometer per hour winds, 2 to 4 centimeters of hail, and 3 to 5, 30 to 50 millimeters of rain. Our day 3 outlook, pretty much plain with 7 to 9 kilometer per hour winds with 2 to 3 centimeters of hail. Driver Burke Falls to Kenora Sunday. Sunday. Today's what, Thursday? Needs to be Friday. Saturday. Um, this doesn't go till Saturday. This only goes till tomorrow. Wait, no. Am I deaf? No. Saturday. Jeez, man. Ugh, I can't speak. Jesus. You're welcome, Max. We're here to tracking storms in oh my gosh, it's been so long. North Dakota. We do got some here in Montana. This storm's gonna be, oh, where's my ping? This storm will be heading into North Dakota. Maybe connecting to this line of storms right there. Oh my god, why did it just remove that? But nothing to worry about. We did have a tornado warning, I think near Swift Current, Saskatchewan earlier. I'll look on radar. Which storm was it? Yeah, it was this storm right here. I'm still worried about that moving into Regina, but we'll come to that on a later date, later time. Airdrie, Airdrie. You do have storms coming over the mountains. Don't know how severe they will, but severe they will be. But you do have a severe thunderstorm watch in this area for right now. If anything happens, I'll let you know. Give me a second. I'm loading another app up on my phone. Actually, yeah, you should be fine. You are under a severe thunderstorm watch for the time being, though. Yeah. Should be some cooler air moving in. What is this? What's this one for? You might see, Toronto might see this coming over the lake, probably tonight, but we'll have to wait and see. Make sure to go subscribe to my YouTube, Hayden WX. There will be more content besides Apex Legends content on YouTube. I do stream Apex on Twitch, but for right now, it's weather coverage for the next, I don't know how many weeks. Don't know what. I don't know what this is gonna do within the next 2 to 3 weeks. We might have something along the coast. We might not. Just like Tropical Storm Dexter right here. This is TD Tropical Storm Dexter. Severe thunderstorm warning ended in Saskatchewan. We do have watches in effect though. With hail to the size of golf balls, wind gusts exceeding of 90 kilometers per hour. Thunderstorms will exit the region this evening. Follow region. Make sure to follow regional ATMO. Don't know what that is actually. I've never heard of that, but you know, we're learning everything by day. Oh, I'm gonna go back to weatherwise. Oh, I don't know. Stupid. I don't have weather alerts set up. Or alerts set up on my desktop. Go to Sask. Alright, we're going to Saskatchewan, guys. Oh, I'm going to Saskatchewan. You do have some storms. There's some storms moving into Saskatoon. There's one little supercell right here moving into the northern side of Saskatoon. So Martinsville, Warren, and Osler. Adrian. What? Anyway, there's some storms in the north, which is good for the wildfires. We just got some storms moving in Regina. I'm gonna keep an eye on this storm right here because this one was rotating down near Swift Current earlier this, earlier this evening, or yeah, this evening still for you guys. What's going on down here? There's a thunderstorm warning down in Nebraska. Nothing major. Got some strong winds in here. Wonder if this one's still rotating. It might be. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe rotating. These ones might actually start rotating. So I think. Yeah, this one might start rotating if it gains strength, but there is a boundary set up. Alright, back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I was just doing something. Where's it over there? What's that? Messaging there. That's my cousin. There's an alert here. Um, the hell is this post, bro? What is that? Don't know if there's any severe threat at this point. It's almost past sundown, so could it ramp up? Yes, theoretically it can. But is it? God will only tell. Unless there's KLCS, which is embedded tornadoes, within this line of storms, I don't see any T-risk here anymore. Like, the boundary's right here, and it's like, it's gonna latch onto this and not produce. But only time will tell. Oh, Winnipeg, you're not gonna be hit by anything. Unless it's this storm right here, or this line of storms. Because it might move up northeast, but only time will tell. Nothing major going on anymore. I was only gonna come live to cover that tornado warning, but it just kind of died out with me. And it, like, I don't think it produced anything. Unless these storms start rotating again. Which might happen, actually. If this can mature itself and wrap itself up. Looks like it is. We do have a tiny... Maybe? Maybe. Maybe. Maybe, baby. We'll keep an eye on this storm right now, because nothing interesting's happening down here anymore. I don't like it. Might have something coming out of this storm. Let's take a look. No, it's just straight line winds. If that storm in your Moose Jaw can straighten itself out, we might have a problem. We actually got a storm in... Where's this? This storm right here. This could start rotating right here. But that's only time will tell. I'm still interested if this will allow inflow to come in. Next radar scan should be soon. What time is it? It's 9:25. If nothing happens, bites up you. Shut down the live. Bud Martin. Elevation 100 above sea level. Crazy work right there, bro. Skis. Can you bring me a pop? This storm is starting to produce uptick in lightning, which could be gaining strength. Means gaining strength.